This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Our buyer lost his buyer, so you have a second chance. Brand new 1,885 square foot home on lovely lot. Trees surround this lovely home with no homes behind. Spacious open floor plan gives you a perfect entertaining area with living, dining and kitchen all connected. You will not be isolated in the kitchen while the family enjoys visiting. Kitchen features a large island and large pantry for your convenience. White cabinetry and counters are an elegant white quartz. Living room opens to a concrete deck, perfect for outdoor village living. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet and bath with soaking tub and separate shower. Living area and all bedrooms have a very nice neutral LVP for easy living and low upkeep. Baths feature tile flooring and tub. 3 additional bedrooms complete this modern floor plan. 4th bedroom would make an excellent office or computer room. Taxes are based on vacant lot. Hot Springs Village boasts 9 golf courses, 11 lakes, pickleball, hiking trails, white sand beach, tennis, fitness center and much more.